Hi and welcome to a new video of French Made Easy. Today's topic is how to make a negative sentence. Let's have a look at this simple sentence, Je suis grand, which means I am tall. To say I am not tall, I'm just adding ne before the verb and pas after the verb. Je ne suis pas grand. In that second example, we're still using ne and pas to make the negative sentence. But ne becomes an apostrophe because of the following vowel a to make the pronunciation easier. So, il a 20 ans, he is 20 years old, becomes il n'a pas 20 ans, he's not 20 years old. In the third example, j'étudie le français, I'm studying French, we're still using ne and pas, but we have two changes here. Ne becomes an apostrophe, and J apostrophe becomes je. So, je n'étudie pas le français. Alright, it's your turn to practice now. Try to make the following three sentences negative. So the first one is Elle range sa chambre. She is tidying up her bedroom. Second one, il a un beau cahier. He's got a nice notebook. And the third one, j'aime les épinards, which means I like spinach. Let me know your answers in the comment section. I hope to see you for the next video. À très bientôt.